far you have a common cold in your life. It can cause sneezing, coughing, and often make you feel awful. The worst thing about the common cold is आप उसको medication से उसके symptoms तो रोक सकते हैं, so you really can't treat with antibiotics like for strep throat infection and infected tooth. Okay, now let us talk about what causes it, a virus. So the common cold is caused by a virus. All living things are made up of cells. As regarded for the cell theory, viruses are not cells. Viruses are technically classified as living since they lack many characteristics of life, but there is some debate in calling them living as well. Medications such as antibiotics attack bacteria like E. coli, which are living cells. Antifungal medications can be used on fungi like athlete foot. Viruses are not bacteria or fungi. You cannot classify a virus in prokaryote or eukaryote either because it's not a. So, what is its structure like? First of all, it is much smaller than a bacteria. You need an electron microscope to see a virus. Viruses come in different shapes, but our most favorite is the bacteriophage virus. Bacteriophage virus looks fancy and it attacks the bacterial cell. One thing all viruses have in common is the genetic material, either DNA or RNA. Viruses have a protein called as capsid. It protects the DNA. Viruses comes in different structures with them, while other have an outer envelope. This can help it in viral replication. One thing that make viral reproduction unique is that they cannot replicate without a host. वायरस की रेप्लिकेशन आपके लिए बहुत बड़ा मसला बन सकती है, चाहे वो आप हो इन केस ऑफ कॉमन कोल्ड, कोई इंसेक्ट हो, प्लांट हो या फिर बैक्टीरिया. वायरस कैन बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक फॉर द होस्ट which they are infecting. Anything that is alive can be a host because cells have the machinery virus need in order to replicate. We are gonna talk about two types of viral replication cycle. The first one is the lytic cycle. In lytic cycle, the virus attaches to a host. It often binds to a receptor that cell has which gives access to attach. Virus can inject either its DNA or RNA depending on what kind of genetic material it has. Sometimes the virus is taken by the cell itself. Now, ऐसी सिचुएशन में आपको पता होना चाहिए कि अगर कोई चीज़ बाहर से एंटर होगी तो क्या आपके सेल को पता नहीं चलेगा? मगर नहीं, क्योंकि वायरस क्या करते हैं, वो सबसे पहले जाके जेनेटिक मटेरियल को अपना बना लेते हैं, एंड देन विच इज़ वेरी बैड. आफ्टर दैट it started giving instructions to the cell and it started making copies, so many copies that the cell cannot bear it anymore and it ruptures, explodes, lies. And what happened after that? These cells which are gotten out from the same cell goes to other cells and infect them. This is called lytic cycle. Lysis of membrane is bad because the cell cannot survive without a cell membrane. The other cycle is the lysogenic cycle. Try to remember it as a longer, snaky cycle. First of all, it starts as the same. The virus injects its DNA into the bacteria, and this time the viral DNA remains hidden. So when the daughter cells are formed, they have both the DNA, the viral DNA and the host DNA, and they started making their copies. And this is called the lysogenic cycle. It's not a problem one, but it becomes one when it triggers into lytic cycle, and it can be triggered as it triggers. It started making the viral DNA copies, and it infects the cell. It can be activated either by chemicals or due to lack of food.